Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. Recently, I thought of making videos on latest job openings for freshers and experienced candidates. Then, I have conducted a poll in my channel for your inputs. Thank you all for your positive responses. From today, every Monday, I'll try to upload videos on latest job openings. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it right away so that you will not miss any of my future content. If you feel that these job openings are not matching your skill set, please do share this video because there are many people who are searching for jobs and this video might help them. Without any delay, I'll start with today's video. So first, I'll start with Amazon. Amazon is hiring for content associate with Hindi and HTML expertise. Experience required is 0 to 4 years. Location, Chennai. They have mentioned salary as 2,25,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities. The primary responsibility of the role is to perform quality checks on web pages and digital content for ebook readers. Associate needs to perform ebook conversation and would need to have working knowledge of HTML and CSS. You can find more details about roles and responsibilities in the job description. The basic qualification they have mentioned is must be a graduate in any stream from any reputed university. Working knowledge of InDesign, HTML, CSS, EPUB, XML standards is mandatory. So the next opening is also in Amazon. The role is Design Associate, Photoshop, Illustrator Experts. So here it's mentioned as shift timings is 8 am to 5 pm mostly. And years of experience 0 to 2 years. Location is Chennai. Salary is 2,25,000 to 3 lakh per annum. So coming to basic qualifications, expert knowledge of Photoshop and Illustrator, educational qualifications of bachelor degree or equivalent experience, ability to work with minimal supervision, comfort with fast-paced, highly collaborative, dynamic work environment. So this is a contract role. This is a contract role for a period of 6 months. So the next position is also in Amazon, but it is a manager position. The role is Manager Quality Services Operational Manager. The years of experience which required is 5 to 10 years. Location Chennai. They have not mentioned any salary details. So responsibilities of this position is manage DS and SMEs and will report to the ops manager. Preferred qualifications. Industry experience of 5 to 12 years with at least 1 to 5 years in team lead or people management role. Strong verbal and written communicational skills. Strong attention to detail and organizational skills. Next opening is also in Amazon, which is for technical program manager. Qualifications for this should be BE in computer science or related technical discipline or equivalent job experience. 8 to 13 years of experience is required. Location is in Bangalore. Basic qualification for this is 8 plus years of relevant engineering experience, 2 plus years of technical program management experience. Preferred qualifications. Experience developing internet products and technologies. Experience with voice recognition, natural language understanding, natural language generation or machine learning. Next openings in Amazon is for SPS Associate. There are huge openings across India. Locations mentioned as Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Hyderabad. So salary which is mentioned over here is 2,75,000 to 3,75,000 per annum. The years of experience required is 0 to 5 years. So the basic qualifications which you need to have before applying this job is bachelor degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. Along with English, some roles also required communicating in Hindi or Telugu. So they have mentioned clearly mentioned that 2020 pass outs are not eligible. So people who are about to complete their graduation, I would suggest not to apply for this job. Amazon is also hiring for TRMS investigation specialist. 0 to 5 years of experience is required for this, and the basic qualification for this is graduation and above. 2020 passouts are eligible only if they have no active backlogs. 2020 graduation passouts should carry all semester mark sheets available till date without any fail. So if you have all these documents, you can apply to this job. The important thing which you need to know about this job is it is a fixed term contract job for 12 months. So if you are okay with all this information, you can directly apply it from the below link. Next openings is in DXC Technology. The role is Senior Assistant Business Process Services. The basic qualifications which you need for this job is high school diploma, 2 or more years of experience with business process service delivery and improvement, preferably in outsourcing environment, experience working with client company product and or services, experience working with business solution software. Other qualifications which is required is communicational skills, personal computer and business solution software skills, organizational skills to balance and prioritize work. So these are the details which they have mentioned. You can apply this job from the LinkedIn. I have provided the links in the description. Next one is in CSS Corp hiring for customer support associate. Experience required is 0 to 1. So they have only 3 vacancies right now. Location is in Chennai. They have mentioned salary as 2 lakh per annum. Next opening is in Tech Mahindra. It is for international voice process. You need to have 1 to 5 years of experience. Location mentioned as Hyderabad. Salary will be provided around 2.5 to 3.75 per annum. They have mentioned as key skills which required for this job is you should have excellent communicational skills, ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously with appropriate priority while performing customer service. You should also have technical knowledge. They have mentioned that interested candidates can drop your updated CV to a mentioned email address which you can find in the description I have provided. Next openings is in HCL Hyderabad. They are hiring for product support engineers. Experience required is 0 to 5 years. Location in Kondapur. They have mentioned as IT or CSE graduates preferred. Expected skill set: working knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS must. Excellent oral and written communication is required. If your experience suits the requirement, you can directly send the resume to the given email ID which is in the job description I have provided. Next openings is in Accenture. The role is order to cash processing, cash application processing. This is L2 designation. Location is in Hyderabad. The required qualifications is BCom. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. I have provided the links in the description. You can apply to this job. Next opening is in Cognizant. Role is process specialist data. Experience required is 0 to 4 years. Location Hyderabad. The minimum education qualifications required is bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience required. So that's all for today. I hope this video is helpful. As I have said earlier, please do share this video as much as possible so others will also get benefited. I have provided all the job links that I have discussed in the video. You can find them in the below description. Those links will directly take you to the job portal. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be back with new job update videos on next Monday. Thank you for watching.